zero damage color depositing mask to maintain or transform your color at home. We'll see about that. Hey guys, welcome back to Give Your Hair a Kiss. I'm Kiss, and this is the Wella Fresh Mask in pink. Yeah, we're gonna try this today. Super stoked. If you're new here, hey, hi, hit subscribe. I'm here for you to help give your look a kiss. If you're liking what you're seeing, give me a kiss, give me a like, subscribe, share, comment. I just got back to some comments. Super stoked to be back on top of things. Needed to take a little bit of a break. Why? I needed to let my hair go to chaos. Just be a little underdone and faded out. You know what I mean? So that I could give this product, the Wella Color Fresh Mask. Color Fresh? I'm adding words. In any case, the Wella Fresh Mask in pink. I want to see just how hardcore this product goes, because the literature they provide is pretty impressive. So, took a break, let my hair go for a bit. I've let my roots go. I've got all this fade out brassiness happening. My pink is pretty much gone from the ends. I have a little bit left here in my root of that magenta. So, I really want to see what this mask does in terms of conditioning, in terms of color deposit, what it's gonna do with this brassiness. So, yeah, we've got a great trial going today. So I picked up this mask from the Wella's Professional website. And this is available not only to professionals, but also to consumers. So hopped on the website, they had a ton of information about this product. Like, Wella goes very hard with their education, not only to their professionals, but to their consumers. So let's take a look at this, huh? On the website, they boast 11 zero damage masks. So 11 different shades. We've got 4 vivids, we have 7 naturals in this line, which is pretty cool. I kind of feel like it's comparable to like an overtone, you know what I mean? Like, this is Wella getting into that toning mask market. So they say beautiful true to tone fading. True to tone meaning like when this fades out, it's not gonna fade, say orange or red or whatever. It's gonna fade in that pink monochrome. No animal derived products, and that is super, super important right now. We're going cruelty free. So this item is a vegan product from what they're saying. It is also free from silicone. So we're gonna prevent like artificial buildup in the hair when we're using this product as well. Cool, great. The conditioning formula for easy application, moisturized and smooth hair feel. So we're supposed to feel shiny, silky smooth at the end.
Soon the whole world will be silky smooth.
And you're supposed to, so this is designed for weekly use, and you're supposed to see results, visible results, in the first like 10 minutes of use. Okay, we'll see. So this is cool. I like the spectrum that they're working in terms of tonalities. The 4 vivids that they're providing, you know, I would have liked to see a yellow, honestly, you know, and just done some primaries to kind of mix and match. But hey, that's me. I don't formulate for Wella, but they went ahead and did a pink, a blue, a red, and then a mint tone, which is really lovely. Cool, so love that our directions are not only in the packaging, but also clear with pictures on the website. Let's go ahead and pour this bad boy out. I like this little sealed for freshness locking mechanism here. Okay, so the product recommends that, they say here on the website that the product plays well with the Color Motion line, a few of the other Wella color lines, the Demi-Permanent lines, and the Illumina color line. Also, the product plays well with the Invigo line. So I went ahead and shampooed my hair with our Wella Invigo Brilliance with Lime Caviar. We can go ahead and apply. They do say to use gloves, so guys, we're gonna pop some gloves on for this. check out this product. That is dark. Okay. That's probably too much. Okay. Let's talk about this real quick. This just made me a little nervous because I'm looking at, okay, I like the consistency of this product. But I'm also looking at the shade of it coming out of the, see what I mean? This is gonna become this. Okay. All right, I'm gonna, fortune favors the bold. Let's do this. Okay, so apply generously, section by section, leave for up to 10 minutes. Let's do it. Okay. Oh my God, it looks brown. I am so nervous now. Oh no. What am I getting into? It looks like I'm putting like chocolate pudding on my head. Okay, here we go. We're doing it. Y'all, I'm gonna be super sad if I have to like bleach this out of my hair. I don't know. What have I done? Okay. I'm gonna apply the back. I'm gonna come right back. I'm gonna like analyze some life decisions, or we're gonna talk about some of the benefits of this product. Great. Yeah. Okay, I put on a pink processing cap for this, so I wouldn't be looking at it being like, why is it brown? Why is it brown? In any case, let's talk about the product. So like I was saying, the website has a ton of information available, which I super appreciate from Wella. They are very transparent with their products. So the Color Fresh Mask, specifically in pink, boasts that it is an at-home weekly treatment to easily add a blast of vibrant pink. Can I do this every week? We'll see about that. Not if I'm gonna like be feeling like it's brown every week. The temporary color gradually fades, and the rich care ingredients in the formula leave the hair feeling smooth and moisturized. Well, that's what we all want, right? Color results can vary depending on the mask you use, blah, 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 based on level and porosity of the hair. My hair's pretty porous. It may spit out some of the pigment. We're gonna see. Without silicones, use gloves when applying. Okay, so it talks about 6 different benefits. And the first one that I'm gonna talk about, if you've been on my channel, you know I am very sensitive to perfumes. Benefit number 6, it is perfume free. This is a fragrance free product and I absolutely love that. I'm not bothered at all with this sitting on my head. This is great. Okay, so also on the website you can purvey their entire 11 shades for this color line, for the fresh masks. So in their naturals, which they have 7 of, you've got the copper, you've got lilac forest, which looks like and says here on the site that it neutralizes brassiness. So this is one you want for your platinum hair, is that lilac frost. The caramel glaze, beautiful natural blue, golden gloss. That's gorgeous. The mint tone, it's pretty cool. I wonder if you could just get the blue one and dilute it down with a conditioner, with another conditioning mask. I don't know. I'd like to see how these dilute or mix. That might be another video. Let's see how much I like this. Rose Blaze, that is gorgeous. The red, the pink, Chocolate Touch, that's a beautiful natural shade. And then the Pearl Blonde. So that's gonna be another one that's going to neutralize brassiness and prolong your blonde. Love that. Neutralize, revive, transform. We all want that. My hair was pretty much blonde at the end, so this is more in the transform category than in the revive category. But if we do actually have pink, I may be using this product on a weekly basis just to keep my pink fresh. And you also see here on the website what is expected of the pink. You see the different applications here. It looks like a bright, beautiful, bold pink. So also from the line, we're supposed to see damage prevention. We're gonna smooth out that cuticle layer, enable the comb to glide through the hair, reducing stress, less tangles, increased manageability, visible shine. So we're using that argan oil. Oh, the argan oil is only in the vibrant shades. And then they use an avocado oil in the natural shades. Interesting. Both of them have the vitamin E. We love that. I also love on the website that they go ahead and list the color chart, how your hair may end up based on its level of lightness to begin with. So there, I'm in the pre-lightened category. Okay guys, moment of truth. We're gonna rinse this out with cool water. We're looking for a vibrant pink. We're looking for visible shine. We're looking for smoothness. We're looking for touchable softness in the hair. And if my curls are lovely and defined, that would be an added bonus. I'll be right back to you. Moment of truth. Here we go. What is that? What is it? Y'all. Yeah. Okay. Let's talk about this. This is not pink. This is, see, this is pink. This is pink. This, I don't, this! I'm gonna dry it just to make sure I'm not crazy with my blow dry brush available at giveyourhairakiss.com. Now, you know what? Well, you failed. You failed hard. And for $26.50 for 5 ounces of product, I'm like, in terms of a mask, especially from what I'm a little disappointed. Like, okay, well, there's some shine. I got some shine. Where's the pink? Where is it? It went on brown. It came out orange. This is gonna be a fun fix. I mean, if I were going for rose gold, I'd be like, all right, I'm like a shampoo away. But honestly, no. We're done here. So thank you guys for joining me for another product review video. This time it was the Wella Color Fresh Mask. So sad, too bad. Gotta fix this now, haha. If you're liking what you're seeing, give me a kiss, give me a like, share, follow, subscribe, do the whole kit and caboodle. Comment down below. I do have a comment video coming your way. There was a great comment and I'm super stoked to answer these questions for you here on my channel, Give Your Hair a Kiss. You can follow me on Facebook and Instagram, Give Your Hair a Kiss. Check out my products and exclusive offers at giveyourhairakiss.com. While you're there and happen to find yourself in the New York City area, you can book an appointment with me, Kiss, here at the Kissing Booth, and we will have an amazing time. But until next time, guys, when we fix this, give your hair a kiss.